Hey guys, welcome to Atlas of Nutrition. My name is Summer, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make colorful pasta. This is great for kids because it can help with their sensory development as well as their fine motor skills. But it's also fun for adults because who doesn't love playing with their food? There will be a recipe card at the end of this video where you can pause it and quick write it down, or you can take a screenshot, but be sure to watch until the end in case you have any questions. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to be filling a medium to large pot with about 6 cups of water. I am using my zero water filter because we don't have the best quality water where we live. This just helps remove those contaminants, give the water a better taste, and make it safer for consumption. As I put the pot on the stove, I'll be adding about a tablespoon of olive oil and a teaspoon of pink Himalaya sea salt. The olive oil just allows the noodles not to stick together during the boiling process, and the salt helps draw out the excess starch. Turn the stove to a high heat and get that water boiling. The best thing about this colorful pasta recipe is that it'll work with any type of pasta noodle. Personally, I'll be using fettuccine noodles, but this works with regular spaghetti, angel hair, elbows, shells, bow ties. The only thing I'm not 100% sure that it'll work on is ravioli style noodles. Cook your pasta according to its specific instructions, and be sure to stir it every once in a while just to put that layer of oil on it and to break up the starch. When I strain my pasta, I like to rinse it with hot water just to get that extra starch off that the salt pulled out. Now time for the fun part. All you need is olive oil, food coloring, and some kind of container. I prefer Ziploc bags because that gives you more freedom to mix in the colors. Now grab your container, add as much pasta as you want for that color, add about a tablespoon of olive oil, add 20 to 30 drops of food coloring, close it or seal it, and mix it up. Yes, pasta is already yellow because of the type of flour used to make it, but I wanted to see what it looked like for the yellow food coloring, so I'm just going with it. After mixing them well, set them aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Back into the strainer again, one color at a time. You want to rinse them. You don't have to use hot water this time because the pasta has already cooled down, but you want to rinse the excess oil and food coloring that was not set into the pasta. So I did make a mistake with my blue food coloring. I left it in this video though so that you can see that I make mistakes in the kitchen too. But I only put about 20 drops of food coloring in when I should have put closer to 30 because it is a darker color. It wasn't able to disperse as I wanted it to. After rinsing all of the colors, you can heat it up, serve it cold, or add it to another dish. But whatever you decide to do, you just made colorful pasta. How awesome is that? Please be sure to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments down below what color combinations you tried, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.